Good afternoon, dear children. Yesterday we learned how to answer the comprehension in English prose. Today we will read a story and answer the comprehension questions based on the story. Let's revise what we did yesterday. Number 1. Read the story carefully. 2. Read the questions. 3. Read the passage again and look for the key words while reading the story. The key words may be from the questions. Number 4. Underline the words you come across. Those may be in the questions, so that the line could be your answer to the given questions. Number 5. While reading the story, the key word from the question appears in that line. So go back to the question and answer it. Now let's read the story, The Fox and the Grapes. One day, a hungry fox stole into a farmer's yard where there were many bunches of grapes, ripe and juicy, hanging on the branch of the tree. The fox couldn't reach the grapes to eat them, so he jumped for the lowest branch. As luck could have it, the grapes were just out of reach. He jumped and jumped and jumped again, but it was no use. And when he was tired of jumping, he went away saying, "Who wants them anyway? I'm sure the grapes are sour." So, the moral of the story is, don't belittle good things because they are out of your reach. Now children, let's read the question and answer the following. What did the fox see on the branch of the tree? Answer. The fox saw many bunches of grapes on the tree. Number 2. What did the fox do to get the grapes? The fox kept jumping in order to get the grapes. What did the fox say when he could not reach the grapes? As the fox could not reach the grapes, he said, "Who wants them anyways? I'm sure the grapes are sour." Question number 4. What is the moral of the story? Answer. Don't belittle good things because they are out of your reach. Cap Seller and the Monkey. It is a hot summer day. A man was passing through a village. He sold caps to the villagers. He walked for miles and felt very tired. He sat under a big tree to take rest. He put a basket of caps beside him. He then fell asleep. There were monkeys on the tree. The monkeys came down from the tree and took away the caps. After some time, the man woke up. He found that there were no caps in the basket. He was surprised. He looked for the caps. Then he heard some noise above his head. He looked up. He could not believe his eyes. The monkeys were wearing the caps. The cap seller became very worried. He did not know what to do. Suddenly, he remembered that monkeys like to imitate. So he took his own cap and threw it on the ground. The monkeys saw it. They also threw their caps on the ground. The cap seller did not miss the chance. He at once collected the caps from the ground. Then he quickly left the place. Write the answer to the following. Choose the correct word. Monkeys like to imitate, cat, sing or run. Second one. The cap seller passing through a town, a city, a village or none. The cap seller threw his dash on the ground. Cap, shirt, basket, dress. Answer the following. Where was the cap seller going? Who took away the caps while he slept? What do monkeys love to do? Thank you, children. Now take out your English composition book, write the story down neatly and answer the questions in the book neatly.